this game.
One of the first players na nakita natin dito sa Alonte Sports Arena, Renzo, na maaga nag-warm up for this game number 1. But it's Alfanta will get the first basket in this game para sa in that victory against San Juan. Looking to make an impact here para sa Caloocan. Mangubat makes it 5-0, knocking down the triple.
Back-to-back basket. Caloocan yung Batang Kaangkalu.
Looking to go inside. Pablo off the glass. Gets the bounce.
And that's the reason why you can't commit mistake. Well, Masiglat was asking for that ball down low, believing na meron siyang mismatch pero Mangubat just opting to shoot that three-pointer. And speaking of shooting a three-pointer, here comes Titing Manalili.
Drops it off to Masiglat. Missing on the short snap, tapik. Mapupunta dito kay Panapanaan. Gets his first basket.
Well, dito naman nakakakuha ng basket.
7-6, 5-40 still remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Balik sila kay Pablo kontra Panapanaan. Step back. Knocks it down. 4 points early para kay Luis.
Well, we can
take another look at that Pablo move. That's a shot that I think he has developed throughout yung kanyang playing career dahil Pablo but has that midi working for him.
And again, if that's gonna be a consistent weapon for Luis Pablo, I don't need possession. Kaya talagang maganda yung kinalabasan ng laro na yun.
Delicado, able to escape Gagate. Batang Abra up by 2, 13-11. Manalili this time goes inside for another basket. Make that 8 here in the first para kay Titing.
Para ito itong Batang Abo tong mga to dahil ito yung gusto nilang face.
Delicado, able to knock down the elbow jumper. Maganda pa. Take another look at that Eligado jumper. This was the drive rather against 7 Gagate. Back-to-back baskets. Finished by this jumper as we have this first timeout brought to us.
Simple and just play the right way.
Short on that layup though was Mangubat. Able to keep it alive was Locsin. Eligado almost bobbling that basketball. Hindi natawagan ng traveling and a 3 on the way. Garupil unable to hit. Make that 8 straight para kay Eligado.
just being at the right.
Take another look at this pass from Locsin. Setting up Eligado. His shot shadowed by Lozano. Attacks the lane and gets the end one.
If you're Caloocan, really aggressive offensively, as we see this pound for pound fitness foul counted off the game, and he's usually
7 to shoot. Mangubat. Shot rattles out. Another offensive rebound by Locsin, but blocked. Able to recover. Great resilience there para kay Locsin. Garupil. Lozano for 3. Garupil able to tip it in.
Titing Manalili missed Garupil on that backs out play.
Finds Lozano in the corner, free for a 3 and knocks down the triple.
That's just the perfect way to play that.
Time para sa Caloocan, just 5 seconds remaining. Manalili pulls up from beyond the arc. Way off. 1.7 nalalabi dito sa ating first quarter. Still an opportunity para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. Dahi from Mangubat. And at the end of 1, it's 28-19. Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex up by 9. Goes to Despi. Pulls up for a triple. Short. But there is Manzano for the cleanup job.
Just attacking and making plays para sa kanyang team.
Mangubat his second triple of the game. Outside shooting here para sa Batang Abra. Rubico decides to pull up for a 3. A short shot. Despi able to keep it alive. Ganda namang galaw sa loob for 2.
Back-to-back offensive rebounds para sa...
Get to take a rest here in this game. One-hander will fall. Make that 13 now para kay Manalili. Navigate his way inside and this Manalili basket. Nababa nga sa 6 ang kalamangan.
Playing against a guy like Titing Manalili, hindi mo siya kayang stop totally eh. So, kailangan mo lang talagang mamili. And, ayun, yun nga eh. Like what you said.
First, another assist para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. Their 10th so far in this game. The layup, ball short. Shot clock did not reset. Lozano still able to score despite being off-balanced.
Well,
hindi na alam niya yan, Nicole Lim yan. Hindi na niya naabutan. Lozano gets another 3 para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Take another look at that 3-pointer. Losing his defender. gumagalaw ngayon. Malarenzo Navarro ng galawan. TP hit. Pass stolen by Locsin. Ahead to Alfanta. Decides to take it all the way and finishes.
That has been the story of this first half, no?
And Pablo on the switch. Left all alone is Alfanta makes them pay.
That's the second three-pointer of Alfanta on him. Pero, again, great job for Batang Abra Weavers to locate their shooters.
Manalili finally will answer para sa Caloocan. That's the lead down to 17, 47 to 30. Alfanta this time on the attack. Gets another basket.
Shot na hindi galing sa executions eh. Talagang minsan may challenge pa, minsan 4 shots. Habang itong Batang Abra Weavers, every shot that 100% sa kanya yan eh. But again, he's been struggling. Gotta give credit to the defense of Batang Abra Weavers.
Herrera battles his way inside, will be fouled by Rubico.
They've been playing great offensively and defensively eh. Yun ang pinaka-importanting bagay dito. Batang Abra Weavers right now.
2 for 2 para kay Herrera. Finds a cutting Rubico. Another sorry miss there para sa Batang Kangkalu. Still some time left. Garupil would have counted if it went in, but great recovery para kay Titing Manalili.
So far.
At the half, it's 54 to 30, a 24-point lead para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex.
Mga players na hindi usually na filled in, wala sa scouting report ng kalaban, but if you give them a chance, they might be able to help you out. And this is a good start para sa Caloocan Batang.
Balik sila kay Pablo on the block kontra Eligado. Pablo pa rin, PP hit. Finds Desabel underneath.
And that's what I'm talking about.
Side. Hands it off to Rubico for another three. Gets his second triple dito sa ating third quarter.
And again, itong si Matthew starting off this third quarter a little sloppy as we see this three-pointer again by Matthew Rubico.
He run to the other end. Rubico ahead of the pack. He finishes with his offhand.
And what a quarter, what a start on this quarter.
Abra Weavers Lamtex. Alfanta. Still no goal. But there for the follow. Make it an end one.
Pass it off to him kaya naagaw, but this is that pound for pound fitness. Foul counted para dito kay Mac Alfa.
Para kay Luis Pablo after that excellent find from Rubico.
Napakasigip na pasa nun, but Matthew Rubico was able to deliver that ball to Luis Pablo. And
ahead to Alfanta na naman. Challenges Desabel. Missing on the layup. Follow also short, but the third try will fall para kay Masiglat. Third quarter. Take another look at this. Miss layup from Alfanta and a couple of attempts for Masiglat. Wala nang babaan. Timeout brought to us.
shot.
Miranda dropping it off. Masiglat with a bucket.
What a great find galing dito kay Miranda. Just lead down a little bit just to a more manageable one. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, mag-iiba naman lahat yan eh.
Mahmubad though. Able to knock. Excellent feed. Herrera connects with Lozano.
And this is usually what happens for Batang Abra Weaver. Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Again, we can see Titing Manalili just really trying to find opportunities for his team. But itong si...
First maybe 5-6 minutes, no? But dito sa pagbitaw ulit ng Batang Abra, seems to have nag-default ulit sila dun sa ganong klaseng execution.
Well, yun nga eh. Yun yung hindi mo pwedeng...
Gamit mo na term doon, Renzo, eh. Submitting to the system, eh. No? Parang doesn't matter.
Nitong Batang Abra Weavers, obviously a lot of star players there, a lot of big names there, and that's why that's the term that I use. Kasi for a
The jumper won't fall. Another offensive rebound, but mauubos na ang oras para sa Batang Abra Weavers. 70 to 47 nga, heading into the fourth. Abante pa rin ang Batang Abra.
medyo mahirap din talagang basahin kung ano yung gagawin niya.
Locsin connects with Lozano. Another dime para kay Jid.
And itong si Locsin, he take na mga 2 to 3 assist agad.
Pablo finally will score para sa Batang Kangkalu. Make that an end one.
I mean, hindi niya na nadugtungan yung kanyang mainit na start in that third quarter.
Mangubat, able to zip it inside to Panapanaan. Now Miranda will stop for three. Knocks it down.
That was Miranda's turn to And perfect din siya sa mga ganong action eh. Kasi ma-open up din naman yung tira eh. And once it opens up, Miranda is ready to take it.
Third period trying to make a difference and I believe he has done kumbaga ano yung hinihingi sa kanya ng batang Kangalu. They get it into Miranda. The baseline is open. Goes reverse for the bucket.
Back-to-back baskets para dito kay shot from Luis Pablo.
That. Luis Pablo gets stripped. Manalili able to get it ahead to Desabel for the easy layup.
And these are the
Beaver slam next. Shot is down to 5. Alfanta pulls the trigger. Gets another triple. Mac Alfanta has 22. In zone, no? And, 27 pala kanina. Make that 30 points now. 85 to 55. As Gazingan.
players and a lot of help from the bench. Talking about itong Caloocan batang Kangalu.
That's the jumper kanina para kay Gazingan. Off the miss. Another rebound. And the
Session, so they had more chances of scoring that basketball and they obviously did a great job there.
50 points ng batang Kangalu was via Manalili. No? Had that 15 points and dito sa second half was scoreless but decided to get his teammates involved as 5 assists naman dito sa ating second half.
But again, it was too late, no, para to involve everyone else kasi
Especially in that first half. To perfection, scored 54 points dun sa ating first 20 minutes and able to limit itong batang Kangalu to just 30 points. So yung puhunan na nabitbit nila dito sa second half, despite that 10-0 run ng batang Kangalu, talagang medyo malaki na yung kailangang habulin for the boys from Caloocan. Just concluded para sa 18 under division dun sa Paco Arena.